Hi everybody, Amy Bigelow with Empowering Others and Ourselves with Essential Oils, EO squared, coming at you with month 2 of the Mind and Mood Wellness Program Kit. I'm super excited to show you month 2. So month 2 reveal, you can see we get it in the cool little recyclable package because month 1 we got the nice little reusable package to be able to stick stuff in. So let's see what we have in month 2. Remember, the wellness program is a 3-month program, and they select everything out of it. So one of the things that I like on here, I'm going to actually read it right off of here because it's great. doTERRA reminds us, your mind is working for you all day. It needs to balance and rejuvenate just like your body does. This specially curated kit, because they got experts picking this stuff out, contains powerful tools to create uplifting or calming environments and help you feel centered no matter what life throws your way. I love that. So Mind and Mood Wellness Kit program. And then this is month 2, so we have a little bit of packaging just to help. But again, recyclable, which is super nice. They give us a cool little card in here to help us know how to use it. Of course, you can always come back to these videos, but the card helps too. Ooh, so fun, so fun. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is Adaptiv 15 milliliter essential oil. So what's really nice about this format, I believe last month we got the roller bottle, so this format allows for us to diffuse it, put a drop in our hands, and we call it legally huffing. Put a drop in our hands and just breathe it in. Remember that our mood is most influenced by aromatic because it gets into the limbic part of our brain through the olfactory nerve, and so it's going to impact our mood. The Adaptiv blend is called the calming blend, so it's going to help soothe that for you. It also suggests if you know somebody, or if you have a book, or even if you're a member of doTERRA already, you can log into your doTERRA account, and they will have how to do an Aroma Touch hand massage, which is really cool. We might do one of these on this page just to show you guys. But if you have somebody who's Aroma Touch application certified, like I am, and some of you guys may know somebody who is, you could have them offer you the hand technique with this oil. And it is amazing how just putting a little bit of oils and massaging it into a certain pattern and order of things on your hand, because on your hand has all kinds of reflex points, so you're going to also hit some other parts of your body just by applying it to here. And having somebody do that for you during to help you kind of unwind after a really challenging day. I was really blessed one time to be sitting on an airplane next to a lady who you could tell was very stressed and exhausted, and come to find out her mother had just passed away, and she was flying to go try to handle the estate and everything like that. She hadn't slept for days, and so I said, can I do a hand massage on you? And I used Serenity at that time. That was before they had the amazing Adaptiv oil. Now I probably would use this one. And I just massaged it into her hand, and she fell asleep like that. It was awesome. That was also pre-COVID when we weren't all freaked out about touching each other. But yes, it can be really helpful. And so train your kids on how to do this for you. So the Adaptiv 15 milliliter essential oil calming blend is included in month 2 of the wellness program. Let's dig out what's next. Ooh, this is a good one. This is wild orange 15 milliliter. This is almost, citrus oils are happy blends, but this one is absolutely amazing to just really uplift you and pick up those spirits, you know, when you're feeling super stressed. This one gentleman I met one time, he carried a bottle of this in his pocket, and he would often ask people if he could give them a gift if they seemed really stressed or fatigued. And he would have them hold out their hand and just let them breathe in the oil, and it would just, you could see it just dissipate and lift. So if you have wild orange, or if not, in the month 2 kit, when you get it, oh, you're going to love it. A lot of people say that it reminds them of, you know, different parts of their childhood. Maybe it's riding the ride in Disneyland, the California land, kind of the orange trees. A lot of people, it takes them back to a special place in their past, which is really great too. So yes, you could also place 1 or 2 drops of this in a glass of water in your morning to kind of just help promote overall health. We know citrus oils are detoxing in that way. They're going to help kind of keep your body at the right pH balance and those kind of things. So, and just kind of keep your moods high. So, let's see, what else do we got in here? The mystery box. Lavender Touch. So instead of having it in a 15 milliliter, this already comes in the roller bottle. So you can easily roll it in any places where you need to de-stress, calm down. Just really kind of help soothe you and relax you. You could apply it behind your ears, on your earlobes. I had a really great experience. One lady whose daughter was teething and wasn't sleeping at all. We applied it right where the earlobe connects to the neck right here. There's a reflex point for your teeth right there. And applying Lavender Touch, it already has the coconut oil, so it's going to be safe for sensitive skin on babies. But you can just take away that little bit of pain and tenderness that a lot of babies will keep them awake at night and keep them from sleeping or napping, and just really soothe them. And the next morning we got rave reviews that her baby had slept the longest it had ever slept. It just slept in. It was awesome. So yes, you could place them right around your earlobes, on your neck, behind your ears, or at the base of your neck. If you wanted to go right underneath your nose at bedtime to just really help soothe you and calm you down, it will definitely be okay because it's in the touch format, so it's already got the coconut oil for sensitive skin. Month 2, wellness, mind and mood wellness. Okay, what's next? Ooh, black spruce. Black spruce 5 milliliter. This one you guys may not know much about. This is actually a really grounding oil. Anytime, again, we're dealing with a tree, I think we've discussed this once before, those tree smells, the firs, the spruce, things like that are going to be really grounding in that way and kind of help you relax and calm. You can combine this with the Lavender Touch and apply it on the back of your neck. Really is more soothing and a little refreshing because the spruce will kind of help pick you up when you're kind of dragging at the end of a long day and kind of give you that little bit of refreshing without making you overly wired, right? We don't want to be wired because we want to be able to go to bed, but it picks you up enough to just kind of kick you through the end of the day. You could also choose to blend the black spruce with the wild orange and diffuse them. That would be a really refreshing start to your day. So I love how you can pair them together in that way. So just play and have fun. Okay, the last part of, I kind of have to tell you, I kind of knew what this one was. I'm super excited for this one. It's great. You can't get this any other way other than in the monthly wellness, mind and mood. Month 2, you get bath salts. Bath salts, doTERRA spa bath salts. Woot woot. So exciting. We've heard a lot, for those of you who have been using essential oils, that you can add them to your bath. One of the great ways to do it is by adding them to your bath salts because it helps to them to absorb into the skin and not just float onto the water. So it's going to absorb a little bit better for your skin. So you can add these bath salts along with your favorite oil to your bath to really help relax. So you can open this up with a drop or two. Maybe you wanted to mix the wild orange and black spruce in here. Maybe you wanted to just do an Adaptiv bath salts in here. Put a couple drops and then add some of this, or add the bath salts and do the drops into your tub. You pick. You can't go wrong. Either way, it's going to get in you and it's going to help you feel better. So, month 2, mind and mood wellness program. Love all of these goodies, and especially the surprise ones that you can't get at any other time. So, don't miss out. Can't wait to see what's in month 3. See ya.